Chef's Choice, Model 4643, AngleSelect Professional Manual Knife Sharpener. This versatile sharpener uses proprietary diamond abrasives to sharpen and polish 15-degree fine edge knives as well as 20-degree traditional knives. We will demonstrate how to sharpen a 20-degree knife. Pull the blade through each side of the guide slowly and smoothly, alternating each side about 3 to 4 times. Let the diamond abrasives sharpen the blade back to the appropriate angle. Carefully feel for a burr. If a burr is detected, draw the knife through step 3, which will polish and finish the edge. This stage can also be used for serrated knives. Model 4643, professional sharpness and effortless cutting.